Hey guys, welcome to the Computer Wiz Pro channel. So today I've decided to share with you a very precious and amazing software which lets you download movies at high quality, and of course it lets you download softwares at a high quality. So stick with me, you don't want to miss out. So without wasting any time, let's jump into it. The name of the software is called the uTORRENT. So in order to download this software, just check the description below, and there's a link which will direct you to the site where you'll download the software. So uTORRENT is basically an application software which lets you download videos, movies, TV series, premium softwares. It lets you do so many things, and it's a very useful software if you know how to use it. But then if you don't worry, I'm here to show you. On my next video I'll create a special video that will show you how to use it, and yeah, I hope it will be useful to you guys. So before you can go any further with installing the software, just make sure that you turn off your Windows Guard, since like the Windows Defender sees it as a virus. So just make sure that you turn off your Windows Defender in order for you to install it. Yeah, so let's get into it. So before I show you guys how to actually install the actual software, let me just show you the interface, how it looks inside. So here is this uTORRENT app. As you can see, these are my torrents files. These are the files that I downloaded. There are softwares which are at premium. So this is actually how it looks. As you can see, this is Adobe After Effects, Animate, and everything. So this is how it actually looks inside. Alright, so now let's go through the installation process. So I'll just open my browser where I downloaded the torrent file. So just open the file directory. So here is our uTORRENT Pro, and it's correct. So from here we want to extract the files. You can select any folder where you want to extract them to. I prefer documents. Then we go to that folder where the files are extracted to. Then we locate the uTORRENT Pro. Here we are. Let's open it. Then you wanna run this exe file as an administrator. Click next. Next. We agree. So these are just terms and conditions for the license. So we agree. You don't want to install this antivirus password thing. Just unclick this checkbox. Then next. Let's wait until it finishes installing. Right, so just make sure that you uncheck this checkbox here, launch uTORRENT, because we still about to crack the actual software. So make sure that you uncheck this and finish. So from here we wanna extract this file here, this pro file. We wanna extract them here. Then we open it. Then Then from here we want to copy all these files here, then we're going to paste them into the folder where our software is installed in. So let's just copy all these files here. Okay, copy. Let's go back to the top. So from here, open the file location, then you paste your files. Replace files in the file destination, then we're good. Hopefully our file is correct now. Let's just refresh and open it. Our software is correct now. Open uTORRENT. Patient. Yeah, as you can see, your uTORRENT is correct now. uTORRENT Pro. So now you're ready to do whatever thing you want to do. You can download your movies, download your softwares, and do everything that you want. So on the next video, I'll make sure that I create a video whereby I show you guys how to use the software. It's very useful software, so I'll just show you how to use it and how to download the actual torrents files. And I hope this was helpful.